Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the fuel tank in your Destini 125. First, locate the main ignition switch on your scooter. This is where you'll begin the process of accessing the fuel tank. The design allows for a straightforward and easy method to refuel. Understanding this initial step is crucial for a smooth operation. We'll walk through each part together, ensuring you can do this quickly and efficiently every time you need to add fuel. To start, insert your ignition key into the main switch. Once the key is in, gently push it inwards and then turn it counterclockwise. You should feel a slight resistance, and then the key will move to the seat position. As you turn it, listen carefully for a distinct click, which indicates that the seat latch has been successfully released. This action prepares your scooter for the next step in accessing the fuel tank. With the seat latch released, gently lift the rear portion of the seat. You don't need to remove the entire seat, just raise it enough to reveal the area underneath. There, you will clearly see the fuel tank cap. To open it, simply turn the cap counterclockwise. It should unscrew easily, allowing you full access to the fuel tank for refueling. Remember to keep the cap in a safe place while you're filling up. After refueling, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until it's securely tightened. Then, gently lower the seat and press down firmly on the rear until you hear a click, confirming it's latched. Always ensure both the cap and seat are properly secured before riding. For more helpful tips and product recommendations, like the durable Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below for links and other great deals. Keeping your Destini 125 well-maintained ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride every time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.